Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have a forward reverse gear shift pedal for the Can-Am Ryker. Now, since the Ryker utilizes a CVT transmission, the only time you really need to use your shift lever is when you're switching between the forward and reverse gears. So since the stock pedal is not the most visually appealing piece of equipment on the bike, we decided to design something that better fits the aggressive styling of the Ryker. Which brings us to this. Our replacement gear shift pedal is made from billet aluminum and is powder coated in a smooth black satin finish to match the Ryker body panels. You'll also notice that we've integrated non-slip diamond grooves into the back side of the shift pedal, which will allow you to easily use your foot to shift the Ryker lever forward into the drive gear, and then finger grooves on the front side of the handle, which will allow you to easily pull the shift lever back into the reverse gear. So to install this little beauty, make sure the pedal is in the forward position and your e-brake is on. Then you can remove this T30 Torx bolt. Next, grab a small screwdriver and wedge it in between the rubber end and the lever, working it around so that it breaks up the glue, and then just pull it right off. Now take your new gear shift pedal and slide it onto the stock lever. Then take the new 5mm Allen bolt, add a little dab of Loctite, and then tighten it down into place, making sure that the pedal is aligned so that it sits nice and flat. And that's really all there is to it. So if you're looking for an aftermarket shift pedal upgrade for your Can-Am Ryker, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com by clicking the link in the description below to pick up one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.